2 on the other end, and just add some right there. Some right here. I think the beads will stand out really nicely. You can do a whole chains if you want to, okay? I think the chains will make it looks good. I didn't have a chains in front of me, but I will definitely promise doing one for you in next time. And let me apply the no wipe top coat on the top of condensed glue gel. Just a little bit right where I want to place my beads. I don't know. Maybe I should put one right here because I want to put it right in the middle of the flowers. This one's you all gonna get to learn hands-on and the class in the end of this month. I'm so excited. We're gonna learn it together, practice together, and achieve it together. Here you go, beads. Come in. And I just want maybe 3 beads here. I don't want too many. But also this is a good, just one right there. And some, you can do a crystal as well. I think crystal will looks good, but there are so much going on. Like the same with my nails, you can see this chrome is everything. It's just so like pigmented. If I have the chain right here, I'm going to do a chain right down there. Let's tone that one down. Great. Let me see, how does that, why so hard to be? Okay, good. Now I put my hands on it, it looks good. Great. Here under the LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then we'll check if we need to check it anything else, and it'll be completely done. We did 3 nails, beautiful. Today is everyone's with the theme, and then this is the bonus nails. This is stunning. It's gonna be hard for you to name this. This one, I don't know. They're all my favorite. Which one is your favorite? You mean the chromes? Double digits, dazzle digits is the chromes you mean? Ta-da! We did everything is good today, everyone. Look at that.